everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Sa mga bago pa lang po dito sa channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit notification para maging updated po kayo sa mga bagong videos. Okay guys, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Ito po yung mga sangkap. 1 pound Italian sausage, 1 cup almond flour, 1 cup grated cheddar cheese, 2 tablespoons Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup cream cheese, 1/2 teaspoon pink salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 tablespoon olive oil, and 1 egg. First, preheat oven for 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Tatanggalin lang natin yung skin ng sausage natin. And we're going to cook the sausage. This is 1 tablespoon olive oil. Just ito na at papalamigin lang po natin ng konti. Habang pinapalamig natin yung sausage, paghalo-haloin lang natin itong salt sa flour and the baking powder. Ayan. And then, ilalagay natin itong cheese. Ayan. 1/2 cup ng cheddar cheese. And itong parmesan natin. And the cream cheese. At ipamamelt lang po natin sa microwave. 1 minute. Nag-melt na yung cheese natin. Halo-haloin lang natin dito. Ayan. Ilagay natin yung sausage. Ayan. So, maganda ito guys sa nagda-diet na katulad ko. This is really good for us because this is keto diet. Then, ilalagay natin yung flour nga na-mix natin with salt and baking powder. And then yung egg. Ayan. And lastly, yung natira na cheddar cheese. At lalagyan lang po natin ng parchment yung baking sheet natin. Para hindi siya dumikit. At ito na po yung ginawa natin kanina. Nahalo na po lahat ng mga sangkap. Ilalagay lang natin yan dito. Lagyan natin bilog. Ilalagay lang natin oven. Okay, and babalikan natin ng 15 to 20 minutes. Check! Yan, luto na yung sausage natin. Alright guys, here's our baked Italian sausage. It's really healthy because it's low carbs. And it's keto, so everyone can eat it. Yes.
And it's
okay.
Taikiman time.
time.
You know, that's my favorite time. So, well, it's the first time I'm trying this, so we'll see how it works. I don't know.
Yeah. You have Italian. Yours.
Delicious, baby. They're good.
They are.
Syrup. Yeah.
I'm gonna try.
There's a little bit of spice in the sausage. They're moist and tender. Good. Very good. Lami.
Oh my God. It's really good.
Very good. Thank you, baby.
Para dun sa mga nagda-diet katulad ko, you should try this recipe.
Very good.
Alright. Alright, thank you guys.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Don't forget to subscribe my channel. We're going to eat
More.
more.
Lunchtime.
Bye for
Very
now.
good. Bye-bye.